So these are the answers to the CCEA fact file for Chemistry A2 topic 5.7 Amines. Question 1. Which one of the following compounds lists the compounds in order of increasing base strength? So we know that an amide is the weakest, followed by, so increasing base strength, we want the weakest first. So it has to be either A or B with ethanamide first. Then we know that the next strongest after that would be the aromatic amines and then aliphatic amines. So B is the only one that has that the right way around. So the answer is B. If you look at A, it's methylamine and then phenylamine. So they're in the wrong order. Number 2, phenylamine is involved in the manufacture of azo compounds which can be used as dyestuffs. It can be prepared from nitrobenzene according to the following flow scheme. So you see it there. Alright, so name the reagents for steps A and B. So for A, it's just tin and concentrated hydrochloric acid. And then for B, it's sodium or potassium hydroxide solution. It says then converted to benzene diazonium chloride. Name the reagents and state the condition required to convert phenylamine to benzene diazonium chloride. So the reagents would be dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium nitrite, and the condition, just one condition, is below 10 degrees. Now we've got this one about benzene diazonium chloride forming a yellow dye when coupled with dimethylaminobenzene. Now I've just corrected the formula here because in the fact file it was NCH3 and then a little 3, of course that should be 2 because it's just dimethyl. So then write the equation for the reaction and circle the azo group. So we have here the benzene diazonium chloride and then the dimethylaminobenzene, and then they're joining together here, and you can see I've circled the azo group there. It's the nitrogens with the double bonds between them. Okay, now we've got this one. Putrescine is a foul-smelling liquid produced by the breakdown of amino acids in dead organisms. It tells you the formula here, and I have drawn it out. So we've got an NH2 at each end, and then 4 of these CH2s, so 1, 2, 3, 4 in the middle. Then suggest the synthetic name for putrescine. So we've got a chain of 4 carbons, so it's a bute, no double bond, so it's butane, and then we have the 2 amino groups, 1 at each end. So I'm calling that 1,4-diaminobutane. Of course, you could also call it butane 1,4-diamine, which would also be correct. And state why it's soluble in water. Well, because the amino groups can form hydrogen bonds with the water. And finally, this big one, this is a 4 marker. So benzene is colourless, but the solid pentacene is red. Explain why pentacene is coloured and benzene is not. Well, it's because pentacene has this extensively delocalized system. You can see here lots of benzene rings all joined together. The energy levels are close together, so you need less energy to raise any electrons to a higher level. So the energy is in the visible region. And if you said pentacene absorbs colours other than red, that's also accepted. So maximum of 4 there out of those 5 points. So those are the answers to the amines. Thanks for watching.